Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease.
Here's the problem we'll solve today. Given f of x equals 4 plus 3x minus x squared, evaluate and simplify the difference quotient, f of 3 plus h minus f of 3 all over h.
To find the difference quotient, we first need f of 3 plus h. That means we substitute x equals 3 plus h into every x in the formula. Notice both the linear term 3x and the square term x squared change, so we must be extra careful expanding. Expand the easy part first.
Distribute the 3.
Now square the binomial. Open parenthesis 3 plus h, close parenthesis, times open parenthesis 3 plus h, close parenthesis, gives 9 plus 6h plus h squared. That negative sign will flip every term in the square when we subtract it. Substitute the expansions back into the expression for f of 3 plus h. Now distribute the minus sign across the parentheses. Minus 9 minus 6h minus h squared. Combine like terms. 9 minus 9 cancels, and 3h minus 6h equals minus 3h. Next, we evaluate the function at exactly x equals 3. The plus 9 and minus 9 cancel, so f of 3 is simply 4. Now, form the numerator by subtracting f of 3 from f of 3 plus h. Watch the constants. The 4 and the minus 4 cancel cleanly, so the entire numerator becomes minus 3h minus h squared. Now divide the numerator by h to get the difference quotient. Factor out an h from the numerator so we can simplify. We cancel h as long as h is not equal to 0, which is standard in difference quotients. The simplified result is minus 3 minus h. The workflow is consistent every time. Substitute carefully, expand, subtract, then simplify by factoring and canceling. Our final simplified difference quotient is minus 3 minus h. Keep going. This idea connects to some surprisingly powerful math, and the next video will make it feel even more intuitive.